Winning. Peace and love, family. Peace and love. It's your boy Chris Enlightened coming back again with some more spiritual vittles. And today I'm going in on keeping your energy body clean. Ooh, this is a good one, family. This is a good one. Keeping your energy body clean. Ooh, this is a good one, family. You know, since I can remember, I remember my mama always saying, you always want to be fresh. You always want to be clean. Now that I'm on my spiritual practices, I realize that I need to keep my spiritual body clean too. And most people aren't aware of that. A lot of people wash up, take showers, take baths, but they don't tend to their spiritual body. And when you don't tend to your spiritual body, you get a lot of spiritual detritus on you. It affects the miasms of your mind, and it causes sickness, and it causes depression, family. But when you keep your spiritual body clean, filled with light, filled with that good celestial primordial energy from the sun, ooh, you always feeling like me, winning. You be winning, family. It's just as simple as that. One thing you can do with just keep your spiritual body clean is this. Stop using the language of demons. Stop cursing. Just something as simple as that. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. It's going to be challenging in the beginning. If you're one of those people that say, I ain't stopping cursing, that's just like, I speak with empathy. That's where I'm from. When you fight for your limitations, you get to keep your limitations. You do what you want to do. But if you really want to be a winner, start with the free stuff first. Stop cursing. You know what I mean? Secondly, keeping your energy body clean by treating other people good. When you treat people good, good comes to you. There's particles of consciousness all around you, family. And depending upon how you act, you become a beacon or a magnet to attract that however you act. So if you act in negative, low vibratory, you're going to attract low vibratory particles of consciousness. And they're going to stick to you like your skin. They're going to stick to you like your skin, family. It's just as simple as that. So if you really want to work on cleaning your spiritual body, ingest positive particles of consciousness by doing positive things to people and just spewing positivity out there. You know what I'm saying? You don't even have to say nothing to be positive. You can just do this. Just like that. When you're sitting in the house bored, just start smiling. You're going to attract positive particles of consciousness because you're raising your vibration. You know what I mean? Just as simple as that, family. Another thing you could do, invest in spiritual tools. Invest in spiritual tools. We got like 27 medallions up in this house between me and my wife and my daughter. You know what I mean? When you invest in spiritual tools, real spiritual tools of power, it doesn't go unnoticed. The universe notices that. The universe is like, look at that human over there investing his hard-earned cash in spiritual tools. They recognize that, and they will help you. They will help you. When you show them that you're serious about it, when you're about that spirituality life, your life changes. Doors of opportunity just start opening up for you, family. They really do. Try it if you don't believe me. I'm a big believer in knowing. So if someone tells me, yeah, if you do this happens, I'm like, what, really? Well, let me try it. And if it works, I know it works. If it doesn't, I know it doesn't work. But I'll at least give it effort if they say they've been winning with it. Another thing you can do is learn mantras. Saying mantras add light to your life. Saying mantras allows the universe to put like a positive resonance of positivity around you. So negativity won't be able to permeate within the mantra, within the bubble of light that you created for yourself. Whenever you add light to your soul, that light emits from you. And light is your only currency in the spiritual world. There's a lot of dark souls out there, but there's a lot of light souls too. I'm a light soul. I love light things. I like spewing positivity out. That's just what's in me. If I was a negative dark soul, I wouldn't be able to produce light. You know what I mean, family? So your light is a great way to keep your spiritual body clean too. Another way, find you a real spiritual master. Find you someone that you resonate with, someone that you're growing with. And me personally, how I find a spiritual master, how I found my spiritual master was checking out his students. If his students are winning, that's when you know you're on a winning team. But if you don't know nothing about the students and the master just always talking, They just talking. They're just talking. Check out the master's body of work too. If they have any books out, they have a YouTube page out, they have blogs, they have products, tools. And if you feel good around that master, more than likely that's a master for you. Me personally, I don't follow 15 different masters like that. I don't want my message to be convoluted like that. I find one person, and after I exhaust everything from them, and then I move on. But a real master is a lifelong thing. They'll consistently be hitting you with spiritual videos to help you grow spiritually. It's just as simple as that, family. It's really just that simple, family. Another thing to keep your spiritual body clean: stop drinking and smoking and doing drugs. When you drink, smoke, and do drugs, you become a beacon for attaching spirits. An attaching spirit is a form of living entity or a human that refuse to transition to the other realms of existence. And they're here to attach to other people that are still doing the things that they love to do. That's why they call liquor spirits, because they know you open yourself up to the spirit world. You ever meet that person, you go out drinking, they a happy drunk because a happy spirit tapped into them. You ever meet somebody and they a mean drunk because a mean spirit tapped into them. It's just as simple as that. So these spirits will attach to you, leave their spiritual waste within you, and it will coerce you to do more of whatever it is they love to do. So if you don't want to be a spiritual scallywag, I'm going to say it one more time. If you don't want to be a spiritual scallywag, don't do spiritual scallywag things. Okay, family? It's just as simple as that. So I hope you got some jewels on how to keep your spirit body clean. There's a laundry list of things you can do. Some people say you burn sage, but sage is smoke. You burn it, after the smoke leaves, whatever was around you may come back. It may come back. You got to do some internal work. You got to do some mental work to get your spirit right, family. It's not going to be easy. It takes time. But there's no rush because you're going to be here for a minute, hopefully. You know what I mean, family? So on that note, family, peace and love. Get your spiritual body clean. Invest in my books and keep on winning.